Good afternoon, guys. How's it going? Today I'm driving. We are gonna be going to the Lowe's store, which is in Papaico. We're just gonna do some micro FPV flying. Super stoked to be out. Alright, there's Sunny. Some nachos. We'll fly over there. So we're gonna be shooting some gaps today. Hopefully. So we'll start with the big gaps and then come over there. I know, right? And yeah, we'll see how it goes today.
I know it was like, when I was flying it was like rock washing it. Oh, you just look close to you.
I felt it.
Look, you're the best of that.
I'm not that good yet. I can barely go straight.
Cool.
Yeah. Once I'm low on battery. Yeah. Well, I did. All this extra. Just finished flying with Jace and Sunny. It was fun. Good to be out. See you guys next time. Bye.